Howdy ho. What's up, lads? Hope you guys are doing well. Sorry, I'm just checking if my connection. Hello, can you guys hear me? Hi Varshit, how you doing, my man? How are you? A very good morning to you. Thanks for joining in so early. Yo, good night. Yeah. Howdy, Idor. How you doing, bro? Let me close this. Nice, bro. Nice, Varshit. Idor, thank you so much for helping people with the all the stuff, man. Just doing lead code. Oh, nice. Nice. Dude, lead code will help you develop like a good amount of skills when it comes to thinking. Doing lead code is like doing CTFs for hacking. It's almost in the same realm, because in CTF you develop various type of thinking, like how to approach things, how to do certain challenges, what you have, what you don't have, stuff like that. And that's like a great part about this too. So lead code you'll start learning, and when you start doing more challenges like online, especially competition, the hard ones, it would be nice. Rameshwar, yo, yeah, I saw that. GRR. How are you doing, man? How's the college? Thanks for joining in from the college. I appreciate that. Yo, also, because you guys are new, right? Let me tell you something. I do a competition, or like kind of a contest. Maybe I'm a bit selfish in this case. What I do every... oh, sorry, you had sent me some messages. Sorry. Yes, a break. Oh, nice. Sorry, I didn't get the notification. I will do that. Oh, nice. But just to let you guys know, I do a competition, and I sometimes ask a bunch of questions like what do you guys want me to do and stuff. So a competition that I do every month is that whoever do the most messages for the whole month, like you guys can see your XPs here, right? Or oh wait, let me share something. Let me share my screen. So you guys see here, the chat always share like number of XPs you guys have. So I keep an eye on these things, and whoever gets the most XPs for the month will get a free Try Hack Me or Hack the Box subscription. Or I think lead code is around in the same. Lead code per month premium. Oh, it's like way double. It's almost double. But yeah, like Try Hack Me and Hack the Box is like check XP in Discord. Oh yeah, you can do that, those XPs too. Yeah, I think that would be nice. It's just because I get, when people do more messages I do on YouTube chat and stuff, my videos, and I get more views and stuff, algorithm wise. So that's why I do it here. Yeah, you are probably number one, 100%. I don't doubt it. Can I check like based on the levels, right? I think I have to check based on the levels. I'll do a quick check afterwards. Oh, Idor is at level 7. I'm at level 7, but I'm number 3rd. Nice. That's awesome. Good job, mate. Thank you so much for being so helpful. Thank you. Yeah, like, and hopefully like I can do sponsor other people's education too with this lead code and stuff. So fingers crossed for future, right? Okay, with that being said, right, because you will see Shriram and a lot of other guys coming too. So, and this, to give you guys idea what I'm doing, this is a premium room on Try Hack Me called hashing. Third part of like encryption, decryption. Third part is hashing, in which we are going to today talk about password cracking. So if we find a hashed password, how to crack it, how to find the unhashed, the original value of the password. Then also we will talk about hashing for integrity check. So when you download, let's say, a file from let's say YouTube, like ISO image from Kali Linux, right, or any software or any PDF, right, how to make sure the one you downloaded and the one that's original, the original one, right, the one you downloaded doesn't have anything modified. Somebody didn't like was able to intercept your messages and modify it, stuff like that, right? To check the integrity of the file. Both things we will check today, and then we will end this session and move towards tomorrow to something called John the Ripper, a software that will help us crack passwords for password protected files. So interesting things we'll do. And with that being said, right, let's get into password cracking. But my homies are not here yet. Oh, that's why. Yo, everyone. Wait, that's why I was wondering why Shriram and everybody hasn't shown up today. They were waiting. I'm a dum-dum. I have forgot to mention there. Okay, hopefully these guys will show up too. By the way, you have plans to participating in CP. What is CP? Is it the LeetCodes weekly contest? What is CP? I'm bad with acronyms. Sorry about that. Let me tell you that from the very start. Oh, I did competitive programming. I was like the team I was way before. Like I did competitive. Hi Shriram. Hi Ranch. What's up? So competitive programming, I like doing it. Competition, I don't know if I will ever take part in it again. But the team I was part of, right, when I did the competitive programming during my university days, there were around 140 teams in the Pacific region, comparing to like universities like UBC. UBC is like rank. We are late, Range. Yeah, sorry man, I forgot to mention it in the announcement one. Is the mic only sounds bad in oh wait, is the mic bad? How is it today? Is it, I increased the volume. I was in some meeting, so I had to change. Oh, I know why. How is it better? Is it better now? Is the fan? Crispier, yeah. Sorry, it was the fan. It's too hot today in Canada. But as I was saying, right, the competitive programming, the competition I was part of, my university was nowhere near this, right? We were competing with teams from UBC, University of like Washington, and some other ones. And out of 140, I think I got like around 41 rank. Radio like sounds, yeah, it's because of the fan, boss. It's 100% because of the fan. Yeah. So I got like number 41 in that competition. You know the worst part about that? It was a 3-people team. We solved like I think 7 or 8 problems. Only one was solved by those 2 people, and I did the rest of them. That how much I was very much in love with LeetCode and like actually CodeChef around that time. If I may, CodeChef was my thing. No, LeetCode came later, but yeah, like dude, I did like 7 to 8 of these. Like out of 7 to 8, I did like 6 or 7. I did like, except for one, I did more, and I was so pissed. And one of the problems I remember was Morse code. And you know what my team did? And that's why you need to have good teams. Morse code 1, which was a hard problem, these MFs said, oh, you won't be able to do it. I'm like, you motherfuckers, I just did one problem. I did all others. I spent like a whole 1.5 hour on this Morse code, solved it. And we had a bet of $10 each. If I solve it, I get $10 from both of them. And if I didn't, I will give them $10. That's how much I was into this. So like I was very interested in competitive, and those are good things. If you are in university, take part in competitive programming, hackathons. I wasn't even randoms. It wasn't even randoms. It was like there was nobody else. The other people, I was not the best, right? Coming from India, you are not considered the best with communication. They forgot majority of the YouTubers they watch on YouTube is Indians. See you, man. See you, Rameshwar. All the best for the college, mate. But yeah, like, you just have to work hard, and like, it's funny. The other team, the one which was considered the best, and we were the underdogs, they came around like 33 or 34 something. And the guys said, two of them said, we made a mistake. We should have taken you instead of the third guy. We just thought he was like, there was a communication. Because of the English, man. It's just they had prejudice. Like, I will be honest, they had prejudice. You feel racism. You will go through racism. I decided to do CPTS. OSCP is way expensive. Oh, you do CPTS. OSCP is way expensive and rate of success is low. The retake voucher is also expensive. Given the amount of time that I have, might go for CPTS. I'll give 7 months to CPAs. Anyways, I got 2 years of waste college. Dude, Idor, before I mentioned, I think somebody else, and like I know Bandit is working on CPTS. He might be almost ready. And Rabbit or Wrench, I think one of those were also preparing for CPTS. So have a look at them. Do ask them. Oh, maybe we can create like certain like rooms for like certification wise. It would be helpful to know who has done what, right? But yeah, lads, like I will say, like, you will face racism when you come to Canada. The ugly truth. I refused to get water from people. People hated me because I was brown, Indian, whatever. You know what? No care. I'm above all of them now. It is so fun. It's so fun. Just work hard. If you lock in, like Ren says, if you lock in, racism, people who hate you, all these things will go away as long as you lock in. Yeah, I was brown because I was brown. People hated me in Canada. Like I used to do this thing, a door-to-door sales where I had to go door to door. Right? People said we don't give water to people like you. That was that day I cried actually. Yeah, I was like in 2017 I came. 2018 summer that happened. I cried that day. I was like, what the fuck? Water to people like me. And that was like those low moments in your life. If this is the life, right? This is time. And this is like I want to take, this is from Bhagavad Gita, straight up, right? With time, right? And that's why I'm very religious. Oh yeah, it was very bad. Yeah, 100%, right? And like highs or like points in your life, right? Let's say points or like happiness. What do you think, right? Achievement wise, whatever, like goodness, whatever you're feeling good, right? With time, there will be days you feel like you are at the bottommost part of life, right? This is a danger point now. If you are here, right? It was like not just brown, it was black people too who said that. So like, and some other brown people too who hate it. Yeah, you got to push through, and that's the thing. And this is like, honest with you, this was like legit why I'm very religious, because it felt like it was Lord Krishna speaking in my ears, who said, and because I was at the very lowest point, right? My grandfather died that summer. I was said no to water and I wasn't doing good. I was away from my family for the first time for 8 months constantly, right? And they said, right, Shri Krishnji said, like, if you are at the lowest point of your life, this is the best point. If you feel like you are at the lowest, that's the best point in life. You know why? Because after this, it's all up, boy. It's all up. It's all up. You can't. And if this is not the lowest point, right? Why not just like keep going? Because if this is not the lowest point, and if it is the lowest point, you will go up. That's all it is. Once you realize that, and if you are able to talk to yourself this thing, no way. Like, that's real hacking. That's like hacking your own brain, right? To understand the cosmics of life, I will say. And then that's how life is. That's legit cracking the legit. I'm giving you the best tool to hack your brain and like hack life. If you feel down, trust me, if this is the lowest point, it's only up, right? Why to give up now? Because it's all up. And if this is not the lowest point, why you're crying, right? Success is totally the best revenge. Yeah, it was hard, but 100%. That was, I think, the best point of my life. Oh, uploading PEH now. Thanks. Best intro to hacking. Thanks, Idor. Yeah, everybody say big thanks to Idor, man. Like, for helping everyone so much. We need to give him a follow too. I didn't follow him yet. Damn. I'm the only one who gets censored here. Yeah, dude, it's hard, man. It's hard, but it's fun. It's always good. those things, those hard things happen in your life, because that's what creates a character, right? And I hope, Ranch, like that's what I want to do. We should do a chai session soon. I'm going to a temple couple of hours away, but yeah, soon we'll do a chai session. I have that planned. We can share each other's stories and stuff, like maybe a IRC room where anybody can post whatever they want. But yeah, no, this is good, man. Like I am happy I'm able to share something that will hopefully like you guys keep, remember, and if ever needed, just pull from this cookie jar. David Goggins, right? Cookie jar. Remember, this is your cookie jar right here. Yeah, man, without the community, I wouldn't have free courses, friends, and mentors. Yeah. Yeah, let's lock in. Let's lock in. I'm very happy talking about this, actually. It's good times. Okay. With that being said, and a push from Wrench, let's do task 6 of hashing basics, right? Let me just send the room again for anybody wondering. Task 6, password cracking. Best intro to hacking these things, man. Okay, we have already mentioned rainbow tables as a method to crack hashes that don't use a salt. But what if there's a salt involved, right? So we have in, let's say, Facebook's database, right? Hopefully now there is the salt and there's a hash. If there is no salt, we know it's with rainbow table, it's easy to crack because some people will have the same password, so their hash will be same. Oh yeah, I started the VM. I remember from yesterday, so I had this already. Thank you so much, Wrench. Thank you. It takes time to load, yeah. So you can't decrypt password hashes, right? Because now let's say if there is salt, you can't decrypt password hashes. They are computationally impossible. They are not encrypted. You have to crack the hashes by hashing many different inputs, such as rocky.txt, as it covers many possible passwords. So you go through, you hash a bunch of things, and then try to see if something matches. Potentially adding the salt if there is one and comparing it to the target hash. Once it matches, you know what the password has. Tools like Hashcat and John the Ripper are commonly used for these purposes. John the Ripper we will be covering next, right? And I think, yeah, this is the one for John the Ripper. Open wall. Oh, I like that t-shirt. Let me send this, guys, for anybody who wants it. I wish I had some big bro. He sends me courses for free. Oh, so what you guys have to do is lock in and be the best. Oh, that's such a nice thing, man. You are the big bro of this. I know, you are kind of the big bro of this, yeah, channel. Thank you so much, man. Cracking passwords with GPUs. Modern GPUs, graphics processing unit, have thousands of cores. That's true. Though these are specialized in digital image processing and accelerating computer graphics. So graphics are basically things you see on your file, right? Although they can't do the same sort of work that a CPU can, they are very good at some mathematical computations or calculations involved in hash functions. What it means is GPU is like not exactly a replacement of CPU, but what GPU does, it has like a lot of good programs inside it, let's say, which helps in doing some calculation. One of those calculation is, let's say if you are playing a video game, it's a good CPU like GPU like 5090, NVIDIA's 5090 can already calculate 3 or 4 possible outcomes of a game you are playing and try to like calculate it already so you can see faster, right? So those are very advanced, and one of them, their features is also mathematical computation or calculation. You can use a graphics card to crack many hash types quickly. Some hashing algorithms such as bcrypt are designed so that hashing on a So some hashing algorithms such as bcrypt are designed so that hashing on a GPU does not provide any speed improvement over using a CPU. This helps them resist cracking, which is nice. Man, we need to create Telegram. Oh, I would love to create a Telegram too. Yeah, able to share things much better, right? Also, good part is I have a NVIDIA GPU, as you guys can see. I'm using a NVIDIA GPU. So we can probably try a bit more extra stuff with hashing. Yeah, we should create a Telegram, 100%. I'm down for it. So cracking on, and we'll do it. I think after this stream we can have a chat. Sriram and I were about to meet, so we can do a chat. So going next, right? Cracking on virtual machines. Bro, check your virtual machine. Sure. Is there? What do you want me to check? Check it on, boss. What do you want me to check here? I think that's just check it. LS. Okay. Dude, don't. No. Did you legit? Is that you? If someday someone from TCM joins your server, then I'm dead. Free paid person. Okay, we'll do a Telegram. We'll for sure do a Telegram soon. 100%. Wrench was here. Attaboy, man. Did you legit? Oh man, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say to you. How do you even reach so? Oh, because of the IP was out there. I see. Because the IP is shared. It's worth mentioning that virtual machines normally don't have access to host's graphics card. Did this guy like having his own fun? Wrenchin is in his own league at this point. Okay, so virtual machines, right, normally don't have access to the host, which is like their servers or where they were host graphics card normally, right? Both turn hacker mode on. Yeah. Depending on the virtualization software you are using, you can set this up, but it is cumbersome. Furthermore, performance degradation occurs as you use the CPU from a virtualized operating system, and when your purpose is to crack a hash, you need every extra CPU cycle. I'll change file and delete stuff now. Please don't do it, bro. Please don't do it. Please don't do it. You can do it after we are done with the stream. Please don't do it. If you want to run Hashcat, it's best to run it on your host machine. So basically, if I want to run, I'll run it on Windows, not on Kali, to make the most of my GPU, if available. If you prefer Microsoft Windows, no, don't do it. Don't do it. If you prefer Microsoft Windows, you are in luck. Microsoft Windows builds are available on the website, and you can run it from PowerShell. You can get Hashcat working with OpenCL in a virtual machine, but the speeds will likely be worse than cracking on your own host. So good part is we can run Hashcat on Microsoft Windows, and builds are available on the website itself. So Hashcat's website. NVIDIA GPU requirements. So you can see AMD GPUs, Intel GPUs, Intel graphics card, aka Neo, which is pretty shit. Sad life, we are not in root here. We are not using. Did you just try it? Please don't hack it, boss. Please don't hack it. NVIDIA GPUs require NVIDIA CUDA toolkit. World's fastest password cracker, world's first and only in-kernel rule engine. Ooh, those are big words. You can get Hashcat working with OpenCL in a virtual machine, but speeds are likely worse, right? Now some privilege escalation done on. Bang. John the Ripper uses CPU by default and works in a virtual machine out of the box. So basically it will be in our Kali. Although you may get better speeds running on the host operating system, so Windows for us, to avoid any virtualization overhead and make the most of your CPU cores and stuff, right? Got to go. See you tonight if you're doing Neat Code, 100%. Thank you so much, Darshit. Thank you for joining. Peace out. Have a good one, man. Have a good one. Have a great day. So basically same thing with Hash the Cat 2, John the Ripper 2, right? Just like Hashcat. Yeah, tonight will be lead code indeed. Time to crack some hashes, right? I will provide the hashes. Crack them. You can choose now how. You will need to use online tools like Hashcat or John the Ripper. Although you can use online rainbow tables like we had for CrackStation to solve the following. Let's see, where did it go? Hashes too. We strongly advise against doing that as this will restrict your learning experience. For the first 3 questions, using Hashcat along with Rocky.txt is enough to find the answer. Hashcat uses the following syntax. So Hashcat, then the mode, hash type, attack mode, and the hash file word list, so Rocky.txt. -m specifies the hash time in a numeric format. So the 1000 is for NTLM, the way we did. Check the official documentation, man hashcat, and example page to find the hash type code for this. Okay, example hashes. So we have all the hashes which we need with some salt and stuff. This is amazing. Let me send it to you, lads. And let me, I think I need to create one for Hashcat at this point. Okay. Hashcat. So example hashes are here. Now let's do this. So we have hashcat -m, hash type, attack mode, and the word list. Let me mention this. You guys already are pretty familiar with this. I'm not the best with this. So I'm going to hash file and the word list. Okay. Did something, Wrench? Did you did something? I really hope you haven't done anything. It feels like you did. So for example, hashcat -m 3200 and attack mode 0 hash txt user word like that he is like scaring me. We'll treat the hash as a bcrypt and try the password in the rocky.txt. This guy did something for sure, 100% man. The guy is shady. The guy is shady. Did he change the hashes? Okay, use hashcat to crack the hash. So we have 2a, which is 2 is bcrypt, right? We know that. 06 is the what's this called? The flags they did. And this is the hash itself. I'm the real Slim Shady. Attaboy. Okay, saved in hashing basics. I need to check if this is actually there. Task 7, I guess. Task 6, okay. Never mind. Cat hash 1. Okay, this is the one, so hopefully this, thank God it's not changed yet. Use hashcat to crack this. So we have, I want to check, okay, bcrypt 1, so 2 a and something in the hash itself. So 3200 is our mode. What is -a attack mode? What is the meaning of -a? Dude, this guy is scaring me. I don't like it. I don't like getting bullied. That's for sure. Especially not with it because of by him. Like it's not good. So Hashcat attack modes. Word list, yeah. Other attack specific core attack modes. Dictionary attack 0. Combination, okay. Like there are multiple types of attacks. Dash A 0, 1, 2, 3. So hybrid. Oh, so there is hybrid combining word list and mask. So we are just looking for word list, right? So I think that's why there is 0. Yeah, it's a straight attack based on this. Arush Solanki, what's up, bro? Wordless attack. Yeah. Got that. Yeah. And then we have, I think that's from my notes, say. And that's just the hash file. So let's say hash 1. Did you did that something, bro? Did you did something? Okay, let me just check one thing. Dude, bruh. Why you are like this? Why, bro? Why? So mine is the last one. You are having so much fun. I got second. Guys, I'm creating a telegroup. I got second warning from Google. Second warning from Google regarding malware false positive. Well, wait. What about what do you mean by regarding malware false positive? Second warning. Second warning where, bro? Third warning and drive is disabled. Oh, when you were trying to upload the malware, oh, it disabled it. Oh, I see. Interesting. Yeah, we need to do something. We can. Will it work for OneDrive? Have you tried with OneDrive? There are code snippets in the course. Oh, I see. I see. Yeah, we need to, like. Oh, okay. I didn't never know. Like, oh yeah, Drive does that, right? It scans things. I guess, yeah. Let's create a telegroup. Yeah. Yo, Ido, you know about it. Can you create one? You and Sriram? Like, I would love to, like, or maybe like I will create it so then I can, yeah, I'll create it. Awesome. Thanks, boss. Okay. Given that, I really hope this guy hasn't changed. Did you just change as we were talking? As we were talking, you changed it. Bro, I will give you guys modded Telegram. Oh wow, thanks, bro. You are like legit. You and Wrench are crazy hackers, man. Insert Tele in Android emulator. Oh, okay. Cool. Mumu player. Sounds good, boss. But let's talk about one thing. Wrench. Okay, thank you. Please don't. Holy hell. Holy. I'm not even doing it, man. I'm not even doing. Yeah, these guys are like this guy. Specifically, this guy is insane. You promise you won't do anything? Wrote a script that will do it. Holy. Okay. You know what? I think I can do something. Okay, let's see if this will work quickly. I hope there is because of the lag, I'm not being caught by you. Okay. hashcat dash m 3200 dash a 0 and then text, and then I have RockU. Okay, thank God. No, you don't love me. No, you don't. Yes, I should have done that. Yes. RockU.txt passwords. It's working. Like, problem is I know you can, what you can do with this process, but please don't. That's the problem. I know what you can do it. I just don't want you to do it. If I hated you, bro, I would have deleted RockU. That's true. That's true. That's true. I give you that. Okay, it found the password. Where is it? Holy. Okay, 8 5 whatever it is. Okay, this is our password, lads. By the way, Censored, you and Shriram, you guys gonna talk after stream? Yes, in Discord. Yeah. I will add you. We'll be in the voice chat because I want to. He asked me to make certain changes, which only owners can do. So I'm going to make them, and then probably like a only 15-20 minute chat. So I will add you as well. Hashcat to crack the SHA 256 hash. SHA 256 hash. 256, so 1400. Okay, good part is at least I'm learning. That's a good thing. Yeah. Thank you, bro. Thank you, both of you, man. You and everyone actually. You guys have been very helpful in making my dream come true. Did you just change everything like as I was doing this, even with the lag? No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Did you just deleted the whole? This guy's a maniac, man. Didn't delete them by the. You moved it somewhere. Oh, I think I know where you moved it. Just below my eyes. Just below my eyes. Yep. No, you know what? As soon as I saw that this one didn't delete them, and you had this message, I could tell it has to be in front of my eyes. You just had to do this. Don't teach him right now. Don't ask him to teach you right now. And even my text didn't. Wrench, I'm going to find you one day, man. Just saying. You live in Delhi too, just letting you know. I know that now. Yeah, no doubt you love me. I think more than you love me, you love torturing me. That's what you love more. Nah, this is. I think these will be good memories. But you have to do one thing. Make shots of these. Make shots of these and send it to me. Send my shots. Send me suffering shots of myself. You have to do that. Because I'm too lazy to make shots of myself, and I'm like, after work and this, I'm just too dead. So, okay, till this is working, right? Let's look at the next one. Yeah, we have to do these, man. We have to do these. So, hash 3. Yeah. Idor, sorry man, I know you are into malware dev and you have to see this right now. You have to go through this. Wait, hold up. Exhausted. Exhausted. You know what? Let me do one thing. Let me do one thing. Let me do one thing. You have made my life so hard, man. I know how to edit, but my PC is not powerful enough to edit hours of streaming. Makes sense, man. You can actually, if you want, I can give you access to like as the editor for YouTube, and you can see all the stats and you can just edit in YouTube. I feel like you should be able to do it. Use Hashcat to crack this. You know what? I'm going to just create a new. I want to just create new one. Why it got exhausted though? I just don't understand that. How come it got exhausted? This is the one, right? Starting from 9, ending with 1. How come it got exhausted when like... Is there a different attack mode or something? I will send you notepad.exe, which is ransomware, and I will encrypt your entire PC. Pay me Bitcoin decrypt. Changing the dash m value. Dash m SHA-256. The 1400 one, that is though, right? The 1400 is SHA-256. Is it a different, like this was 256, right? Lyrical Joker. Wait, I've heard this name. Yeah, I have seen you. Yeah, I remember. Yeah. Howdy, mate. Like, long time no see. I remember Lyrical Joker. I remember that. We have to change the mode for every other command, I think. Wait. Dash. Wait. Hold up. What do you guys mean? Like, because dash M, right? 1400, isn't that the one? Oh yeah, long time, man. I remember. It's so funny. I remember it, right? Like I remember the name. I was like, I've heard this name before. It's nice to have you back, mate. Nice to have you back. Since then, you can join the Discord. Since then, I think there was no Discord when you first texted. I don't think so. This one is trying all characters from a given character set. No, it has to be dictionary attack mode. Oh, maybe. You know what it could be? Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. It's all Shriram, man. Not even me. Shriram. Yeah, but like hash2.txt. I'm doing test2.txt. What's the difference? Like, we are doing the same thing. Yeah, like Maybe it's because like the raw queue is like the hidden, right, in this case. And that's why the Hashcat might be having issues finding it. Do you think that could be the case? Yeah, right? That could be the case. That's interesting though. That's an interesting like bug in this we found then, and Hashcat, and we can like probably do a git PR on this. No space left on device. Wrench. Okay. We have these two. Hashcat-m. Now let's see if this works. Okay, let's see if this works if this time. And we can also look at how many words it went through last time. Bro, it would be interesting if you find it, right? Parsing hashes 1 of 2. What does it mean by parsing hashes 1 of 2? But pure kernels can crack longer password but drastically reduce performance. Okay, stopped. Why stopped? Do a less on it. What? On this one? We have this and this, right? Nothing else. I'm thinking cat test. This is the file. Oh, less on. But like, why is not coming out of here? Did I did something stupid? Oh, I think I know what I did. I think I know what could be the problem. Do nano check if it does not does have content on a. Don't you dare. Oh, dude. Dude, Wrench, don't do that, man. I need to sleep, bro. You need to understand. I need to sleep, man. Okay, no. I'm going to do something. I'm not giving you any more connection to this. Hold up. I will do something. Nah, you're not allowed anymore. I need to sleep, bro. That's why it was not working. Wrench. Bad guy, man. Bad guy. I'm terminating this and I'm not giving you access to this machine anymore. That's why you were so excited about starting the machine. That's how I protect. Now I will do some OffSec. Should have done long time ago, but no, you had to pull all the strings. Wait, I can just do it in my. That will also take time. Wrench, I will not forget this, man. I will not forget this that easily. So it takes just 1 minute to get. I'm just starting a new. For people who don't know, I'm just starting a new one, right? Give me like 1 minute. See, I make people better. No. 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 Not in this case. Not in this case, Wrench. Holy hell, mate. Holy hell. Holy hell. You're not getting any. Holy. I hate the fact the IP is already there. Dude, Wrench, don't you dare do anything, man. Hashcat -m. Do it in one of your. Yeah, I think that's all left, right? Wrench, please don't do it this time. Please, I request you as a friend. Please don't do it. I need to complete this, mate. #2.txt. That smile is not good, man. You don't. Dude, no. Yeah. Why take rest when you take literally have control over these stuff? Yeah. You're right, Idor. I should have done this from long time ago. I'm the idiot one in this case. Not going to lie. I thought I had some good humans. I forget how much this human likes suffering of other people. This crazy human being we have. One day, like, you live in West Delhi. Just letting you know, I know you live in West Delhi. I will find you. I have connections there. I'm older than you, so I had more connections there. Echo. Did we find? Okay, it cracked. Halloween. What a. One day. Halloween. Legit the song I play. Halloween theme music. I don't even want to check what he did. Haha. Hacker.txt. Hack or be hacked. Okay. Okay, this time he hasn't changed anything. Why I did this? What is the next one, lads? This one is with the sixth one. What is the sixth one? Okay, so 1800. The mode is 1800. So first let me just copy this. I'm not even going to do it in the machine anymore because I don't trust this guy. You know, my biggest fear was if I'm in the middle, you legit just stop the process. That would have like pushed me very far. How long is this text, man? I will find you. I'll drink fruity with you. You guys are all same. You guys are doing some conspiration against me, man. Conspiracy theory or some shit. I'll drink fruity with you. Legit. What is this? Okay. And okay, I'll just save it in #1 is there. #1, okay, good. Now I'll do hashcat -m 1800. Bro, do it, not gonna do anything. I don't trust you right now. I don't trust you at all. How to delete this text in Twitch? Fucking Apple keyword. You type this. You can't delete in Twitch, man. I think only I can delete it. I'm not deleting it. I'm not deleting it. Bhaichara on top. Bhaichara on top, eh? I see. But I think suffering on top for you, man. User share word list rocku.txt. Hold up, what? I type I will find you and I will drink fruity with you for no reason and be. That was interesting. No, I'm not doing ifconfig. No, I'm not doing anything. Not for a million years. What is this? Why this one didn't work? Oh. Well, that's not good. Okay, now it's good. Okay, it's initializing. Thank God it's working. Till then, let me just create the next one as well. Let it rim. Dude, remember Beyblade? Let it rim? The good stuff, man. Good days. That's where happiness was. It's so funny. This was like, I will find you and I will drink fruity with you. It's like, it's so. I don't know if it's threatening or it's like it's just funny as hell. It's so cute. I know, this is the cutest text I've seen on chat today. What is this? B6 and something. If you don't know, bro, Beyblade was good stuff, man. Beyblade was the good G stuff, man. Hashes, I have to go to hashes for this. That is the man. Dude, that's good. I don't drink at all. Like, you know how many times people... Bro, that's where my peak is. You know, I'm one of those guys. Pokey Idol. Pokey Idol. Apple's AI intelligence. Gemini indeed. Dude, that's good. I don't smoke and drink either, man. And I will tell everyone, like, never smoke or drink. You will lose a lot of people who doesn't deserve you, who don't deserve you, because just because you don't drink, and which is okay, because I have lost so many people just because of that, and it's good I lost them, because a bunch of them are legit not doing anything. They were always negative and wrong people. So fun for you. Only chapri will drink and smoke, yeah? Dude, 100%. No, you have a proper life. People who make you think you don't have a proper life just because of not drinking. You know how I support drinking? How I understand these people are idiots? You know how? These people will never learn. And there are so many people I've tried to explain don't do it. They're like, no, sleep by 2 a.m. and get up by 10. That's good. 8 hours of sleep, you're doing it, that's good, bro. But I will tell you this one simple thing, right? I realize some people are like so like they will talk about, oh, I'm 21st century women, I'm an independent man, and all those bullshit for drinking and stuff. And at one point I have got my inner monster out, right? Then the rest of the day malware dev sitting in front of 3 monitors, that's good. Dude, like your parents are blessed to have you. Just letting you guys know, all of the people here who don't drink and like you guys are doing this instead of like like drinking or something, your parents are blessed. And just to tell you something I have done, which I don't want to share, but like it's good. You know, little bit of my money I have invested, boys. I'm going to say something and get banned 100%. There are good chances. I support Altaria. Like I don't support Altaria Group, right? If you want to understand what this company does, this company sells cigarettes. And your parents are scared of you. That's hilarious. Nah, man, I think they're just scared for you, not scared of you. But I think to understand why this is important, this is a very important thing you need to understand. This one, I showed them that I can read text and internet usage. That's good. So if they are doing something wrong, then only they should be scared. You know, and also cigarettes. There was a campaign called Torches of Women or Torches of Freedom. Torches of Freedom campaign. Have a look at this, lads. Have a look at this. Understand what this campaign was and how people's independency, ego was used to sell them cigarettes. Torches of Freedom. One of the best things I can show you on internet. One time I showed them, I used Capped and read all their stuff. Yeah, bro, my parents are scared of me getting into some jail. I always track my parents. That's good. It's good to know where your parents are. So this one is Spaceman. Rather than tracking me. Yeah. But that's good, man. Like, and I'm telling you, if once you realize like how these company are actually like independence, or like, oh, I'm an independent person, oh, I can do whatever I want, all this bullshit are just actual hacking. This is some actual hacking. They have been able to hack other people's brain, use ego to get you, right? Thanks to my neighbor girl for sponsoring today's Wi-Fi. So I can watch. Thanks to my neighbor for supporting for paying their Wi-Fi bill, and I can use it. That's awesome, man. I'm using my Wi-Fi to upload courses. Attaboy, Idor. Attaboy. Hacker from core. But what I was saying, right? Just you need to look, right? A reason I wanted to clear, social engineering. Like these companies who are like for example, these movie companies. Second would be like movie industry. Second would be these ones which are about selling. Oh, it's okay to be fat. No, it's not, bro. Like you need to understand obesity is not a good thing for your health, right? You need to live longer. It's not be a pain or burden on people you love. Rather help them. Those things they don't understand, and they will say, "Oh, I'm independent." They are hacked. They are basically, their mind is hacked with these like algorithms and these ads, and they are fucked now. She had WPS enabled on her router. I will be studying courses in my laptop, and then my mom will say, "Why are you playing game from morning?" Just tell her, "Mom, come sit. Let's talk about some Wi-Fi hacking. Let's see if somebody's not hacking your Wi-Fi." Just share her Pegasus, right? She will be like, not going to talk to this person ever again. Bro, I had that. Who uses WPS, man? That's funny. So let's talk about this. Hashing for integrity check. Let's get this done. Shouldn't be long. It's not long. We'll get this. Damn, bro, she must want to be she wants to be hacked, man. Okay, so let's complete this so we can talk more, right? So hashing for integrity check. In task 3, we mentioned that we would focus on two uses of hashing: password storage and data integrity. We have extensively discussed how hashing secures passwords in authentication systems. In this task, we will discuss how we can use hash functions to check the integrity of files. Where routers has VPS option? Yeah, they still have, yeah. My router does too. I'm not giving you my IP. I know first thing Wrench will ask. And hope you know what is it. Yeah. In this task, we will discuss how we can use hash functions to check. This legend doesn't do anything. In fact, in this task we will discuss how we can use hash functions to check the integrity of files. Integrity checking. One sec. Thanks for my 11K Wi-Fi too. It's so funny. Okay, integrity checking, right? Hashing can be used to check that files haven't been changed. If you put the same data in, you always get the same data out. Even if a single bit changes, the hash will change significantly, as demonstrated in task 2, right? I'm logged into the SSH and the guy who ran the VM is not. You didn't put anything here, right? I'm turning this off. I'm turning this off. Oh, 11K, I think 11,000 rupees Wi-Fi tool he meant. Did you just change something here? You 100% did, didn't you? You 100% did something crazy. Amazon Alpha AC 1900 1900 Wi-Fi adapter long range. Ooh. Oh, this one. Nice. I've seen these pictures. 11,000 rupees. Damn. The guy is rich, lads. The guy is rich. Adopt me. So, okay, going back, right? Hashing can be used to check the files haven't been changed. If you put the same data in, bro, I didn't need to have this. You always get the same data out, right? So basically, hashing function, whatever you put in, you always, if you put a single thing, if same file, you will get the same output, right? Had the monitor mode with its Wi-Fi card. So even if a single bit changes, like we saw in task 2, it will change the whole output. This means you can use it to check that files haven't been modified, or to ensure that the file you downloaded is identical to the file on the web server. The text file listed below shows SHA-256 hash of two Fedora Workstation ISO files. ISO are the operating system files for people do not know. I too have, but it also I can also manipulate packet injection. Oh, in real time. Nice. If running SHA-256 sum on the file you downloaded return the same hash listed in the signed file, so basically on their own website, you can be confident that the file you got is identical to the official one. So head Fedora, this one, right? Checksum, begin PHP signed message. So this is like basically the head or like the file checksum. These are the bytes, all the info. Wait, hold up. Oh, there is whole thing. So these are like bytes have changed, but these are like the files are different too, right? Workstation, yeah, OSB x86. Yeah. You can also use hashing to find duplicate files. If two documents have the same hash, they are same document. This is very convenient of finding and deleting duplicate files. And it's a long range, so I also got an extender for it. Plus on top of it, 2.5 and 5G adapter. Nice. So basically, for people who are not following this part, right? If you downloaded Kali ISO SHA or checksum, right? You can get the checksum values of these and check it with the ones you have on your own system, right? Yeah, indeed, cool gadgets. You can check the checksum values here if you see, and if they are same as the one you got on the file you got on your system, great. If not, somebody has hacked you and you RIP. So HMAC keyed hash message authentication code is the type of message authentication code that uses a cryptographic hash function in combination with a secret key to verify the authenticity and the integrity of data. So an HMAC can be used to ensure that the person who created the HMAC is who they say they are. Authenticity is confirmed. Moreover, it proves that the message hasn't been modified or corrupted. Integrity is maintained. So authenticity and integrity. Authenticity, how? Because of the secret key, right? Second, hash function integrity. This is achieved through the use of secret key. Bro, log into the SSH quick. No. Let me complete this, then I will. I promise. This is achieved through the use of secret key to prove authenticity and a hashing algorithm to produce a hash and prove the integrity of the file. The following steps give you a fair idea of how HMACs work. Secret key is padded onto the block size of the hash function. Key and the pad. The padded key is XORed with a constant, usually a block of zeros or ones. The message is hashed using the hash function with the XOR key, right? So you get the XORed key here. XORed key. Then it is went through the hash function along with the text. Then the hash function output, whatever it was, we take the key, right? There was IPAD, there was OPAD, right? The zeros and other would be zeros too. Output, we go through the hash function again and we get the HMAC. The result in the message is hash using hash function with the XORed key, the secret key. Result from step 3 is hashed again with the same hash function but using the padded key XORed with another constant. The final output is the HMAC value, typically a fixed size string. Illustration below should clarify the above steps. Technically speaking, HMAC function is calculated using the following expression. So HMAC basically is a way to make sure the integrity is there and nobody else was able to find whatever somebody was sending, right? By using this function in which key is padded with the result of a hash function, key first with the XORed with the IPAD, some zeros, some constant with the text, and that again with the constant is keyed. Note that M and key represent the message and the key respectively. What is the SHA hash of this libcrypt found in hashing task A? Now I can check, and I really hope I don't see something crazy. Okay, still there. What did you change, boss? Let's say SHA 256 sum hashing task 7 this. So this is the one. I really hope he hasn't changed this file. That I would be amazed for a first. Okay, The hashcat mode number for HMAC SHA-256 is wrong place. Key pass 1750. I have to log in. Wait, directly log in like with the SSH? What did you do, man? What do you mean, like, log into the SSH quick? What do you mean SSH for this virtual machine? But lads, yeah, this completes our session. In this room, right, we covered hashing functions and their uses. Like, you logged in before I changed the stuff, so re-log in. Okay. Wrench was here, command not found. Holy. No. No. No, you didn't. Bro, he changed all the aliases. This guy changed all the aliases. There is more now? Who am I? No, all bro. Dude, this guy is crazy, man. Okay, let me finish this though. So in conclusion, we have the hashing function, right? Various perspective, hashing, encoding, encryption we covered. In hashing, we understood like that there was hash values are produced, and it is helpful with integrity, storaging of passwords, and why collision and certain things. I will not do that, bro. Then we talked about encoding, converts data from one format into another, just like base 64 and stuff, ASCII, UTC, UTF-8, 16 and all those stuff, which are valid to help send data. Another type of encoding commonly used are base 32 and base 64, base 64 being the common one. Encoding should not be confused with encryption, as using a specific encoding does not protect the confidentiality of the message. Encoding is reversible. Anyone can change data encoding with the right tools. CyberChef. Only encryption, which we covered in the previous room, protects data's confidentiality using a data cryptographic cipher and a key, right? In the next room, we will cover John the Ripper. That to gain more in-depth information about cryptography, consider this room that dives into more concepts, showcase more tools related to cryptography. Crypto intro. Oh, it's a premium room. Oh, AES RSA. Oh, top secrets. Oh. Nice, bro. That will be in the list. So use base 64 to decode this. Probably it will be try hack me. No? Use decode this text in here. I can just use CyberChef. Bro, log in with your Kali. More fun there. I don't trust you. I don't want to log in with my Kali, man. I don't trust you. In this case, I don't trust you. You are crazy. You are Kaleji person, bro. Encode, decode. Finally something without try hack me in it. Beauty. So we covered hashing basics. Finally, after 3 days. Let's share. We'll share later. Okay, let me just understand what you are doing here. I've installed many things now. Holy. Why? You change all the aliases, you change everything. Why do I even bother? Okay, nothing is here. Wrench was here. No, wrench was not here. Wrench. Export troll prompt. Did he had it like all stored before already? Welcome back, hacker. Dude, did you had this already with you? Home user IP log? You want me to log? You want to log the IPs? Holy hell, man! This guy. That's why you were like saying. I'm not logging shit, bro. I'm not logging. No, thank you. I'm not logging. Holy hell, man. You were like trying to find my IP address. I can't. Oh, boy. Yeah, this is just 1%. This guy is like crazy, man. I'm shutting this down. I can't allow this guy online. Holy. Imagine for how long this guy has been like preparing this script. So you can find this one moment of his life. Like, how much of suffering you want, man? Like, how much of suffering from a human you want? Buddy guy, what time is it there? It's 12. Yes. I'm sure CS is gonna get hacked soon. I am sure too, bro. I'm sure. Thank God I'm not using the way like he's like, oh, log into this system, and thank God I'm not doing that. But yeah, lads, thank you so much for joining today. We completed our stuff, right? Just have a quick look. Nah, man, just made it in 1 minute. Nah. Oh, this is crazy. They did this. Good command. Oh, they were looking through the commands, bro. Oh yeah, sorry. They were looking through the level up zone, ensure correct word list. Bro, they were looking through the commands. Their AI is looking through the commands and like giving us missing activities. CH, do check your LinkedIn. I did accepted it, bro. Wrench, I did accepted it. You can probably see I did accepted it. I did accepted that one. But yeah, lads, before signing off, right? Let's talk about this quickly. The next room, John the Ripper, and let's have a quick look what it will be for us for tomorrow, right? Yeah. So we have basic terms, right? In John the Ripper, we will have our system cracking Windows. So in this, we will be doing cracking Windows authentication hashes. So NTLM. Did they check commands? I think yeah, they did. They did. Their agent, because I did ls couple of times, right? And they said why you were doing 3 times ls. That's crazy. That's interesting. They are doing it. Crack the shadow hashes. Cracking password protected zip files, which is fun. Cracking password protected RAR files. Yo, Idor, we can do this with your ones, man. Thank you for sending those RAR files. They were able to find those. I'm crazy. Cracking SSH keys. I think I will get banned, not you, because they don't know you are the one signing. Let me turn that off. Let me just turn that off. I don't want to get banned, man. But that'd be nice, right? It's like cracking SSH keys, password protecting RAR files, zip files, shadow hashes, and Windows authentication ones, right? Hashes, Windows authentication, shadow, single crack mode, zip files. So I think in next 2-3 days we should be able to cover this. It would be fun, man. It would be fun. I am promoted to Gold League. I don't even know what that is. Dude, Wrench, please don't get me fired, man. Let me just terminate this. Let me just terminate this. This was an amazing one, but holy, you are crazy. Okay, thank you so much, lads. And Shriram, let's have a chat in the Discord, right? But for everybody else, and also Idor, let's have a chat in the Discord to complete the server stuff. I will complete this today. Nice. Nice, man. But yeah, for everybody else, thank you so much for joining today. It is pleasure. It's so nice to see so many people joining, right? Our family becoming bigger. Oh, the John one. Nice. Yeah, thank you so much. And I will see you tomorrow in the morning. So your guys' night, India night, my morning, to do the lead code. Hopefully we get an easy challenge of the day, so we can probably solve that. Till then, thank you so much. This is your underground packet sniffer, lover of hacked packets, sensor hacker, signing off with another day, another beautiful session with the family. And like usual, just like Panda said, bye weirdos. Bye lads, thank you so much for joining. I love you all. Thank you